learnings of today were various, but one I could share is that if I want to reach an objective, I first need to be centered energetically. I need to know what I want, and I need to have the intention of reaching such objective. The second learning was about being aligned as a team towards the same objective. And the third learning was about putting a clear frame and ensuring that once the objective is reached, we have to stop and keep going in the same direction.
I improved my communication skills, especially my body language, and I learned that with more intention, you can really do way more than communication skills. So that's what I came here to do today. I also learned how to work in a group better and more effectively communicate my wants and my needs.
We actually learned how just with the way we talk, with the way we move, with our attitude, how we can make the horse or the team of horses cooperate with us and kind of follow our instructions. What I learned personally is I would never believe that really just the way the self-confidence you have inside and the attitude can help you to manage horses or a group so well.
I came in today because of my love for horses, and I go home with many useful takeaways. I have seen what the horse can show me, how they show me how they reflect my self-awareness, how they reflect my assertivity, and I will definitely apply what I have experienced today in my daily life.